What's good, YouTube? In today's video, I'll be showing you how to auto farm in Cruise Tycoon 2. Alright, what you're gonna do, hit new, right? Click for create. You could name it whatever you want. You wanna enable all this unless you have a battery. You wanna take off recharge if you don't have a battery. But if you do, you're gonna turn that on. If you there, just click the dot. I'm gonna recharge it. Click. Oh, I'm gonna move this. You can move it to like perfectly match it like that. And that's not perfect. And that done. And you wanna hit activate. And then ship is gonna start moving by itself. This is how you know. And if this is how you know I'm controlling it. It turned green. But if you go back, click that. First drive. That's not. What the flip just happened? I needed to disable these. So yeah, just click activate and it'll start doing it for you. Subscribe, hit that like button. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.